What's this?
My lost spaghettis.
They are so bad.
70 million per second isn't that bad.
Mine is better.
Let me see.
See?
These are not better than mine.
Yes, they are. Would you rather have 3 stupid toilets or these super cute Orcalitos?
I'd rather have my toilets.
What? Give me one good reason.
Because they make me more money.
Well, that's the wrong answer. Wait here. This is what happened when you choose money over cuties.
My toilets.
That's right.